Well, happy Friday, everyone. We finally made it. It is the last Friday of the month. Tomorrow is the last day of September. Sunday, first day of October. Beautiful weather coming our way this weekend. Less muggy by tomorrow. Staying breezy, though, the next few days into early next week. Next weekend, though, we might actually get a legitimate cold front moving through. It might bring us some much cooler mornings. Still talking warm afternoons on tap next weekend, but our first taste of fall could very well be on its way in about 7 days' time. So let's get through the next few days first. What's happening now? We are trending dry. We've got some cloud cover around. All the showers and storms happening to our south in the Gulf of Mexico. Also some dreary weather extending up into the northeast. Now for us today, we will see a mostly dry, rain-free day. Some clouds in the mix. Still humid today with temperatures reaching the upper 80s this evening. If you have any plans outside, we should see clearing skies. Temperatures will be staying in the 80s throughout the early part of the evening, and then we get into overnight. By tomorrow morning, our low temperatures getting a little cooler in the mid to upper 60s on the North Shore, and south of the lake will still be in the mid 70s. It will be a little breezy throughout the course of today and into tonight, but will stay mild this evening, and it will stay pretty quiet heading into the rest of your Friday. Going into tomorrow and same with Sunday, we're still looking at this easterly wind pattern. It is going to be breezy with wind gusts around 20 to 25 miles per hour possible tomorrow afternoon and then again on Sunday afternoon. So we can't shake the breezy conditions yet, which is really not too bad. It makes it feel even nicer and cooler outside. Today, clouds will be lingering. There will be breaks of sunshine in between. There might be a couple spotty showers closer to the coast and on the South Shore today. Not anticipating much rain. I think most of us see a bone dry day, and then this weekend, full sunshine coming our way Saturday and Sunday. Less muggy by tomorrow. That stays with us into early next week. Also, the chance of rain disappears going into this weekend. So expect rain-free weather all the way through next Tuesday, even into Wednesday. But that next cold front, that real cold front, looks to arrive later next week. That will increase our rain chances by Thursday and Friday, but it's next weekend. We might see a dramatic drop in terms of how it feels outside. Much drier air, much lower humidity next weekend, and cooler temperatures. Crossing our fingers that that cooler air does make it here. In the meantime, hot this weekend. High temperatures Saturday, Sunday around 90 degrees. And then next week will be in the upper 80s, a little closer to average. Not bad. And since it's not going to be too muggy early next week, really the weather looks good as we kick off October. And then we get into next Thursday and Friday. The mugginess does increase ahead of our cold front. So we are feeling pretty good the next couple days. Gets muggy again by next Wednesday, Thursday, Friday. But then after that, the really positive welcome changes are on the horizon. So here's a look at it. This is Wednesday, still warm across much of the nation. And then we see this cold front dip down into the deep south, and we might see our daytime high temperatures next Saturday and Sunday topping out in the upper 70s, only near 80 degrees for our afternoons. And in the mornings, we might see the 50s on the North Shore and 60s south of the lake. So we really might get our first taste of fall next weekend. Really hoping that cool air reaches us all the way down here along the Gulf Coast. Looking forward to it. Again, it's going to be a beautiful next weekend, even into early next week. Not expecting any big warm-ups heading into next Monday. If you are going out this weekend to the Fried Chicken Festival, make sure you definitely bring that sunscreen. Bright sunshine expected both Saturday and Sunday. Again, breezy. Temperatures topping out near 90 degrees and not too muggy.